Shall we begin?
Loving this gold-plated cutlery from my mother-in-law, gifted by my Kuya Dodo. And this gorgeous coral Shabby Chic cups from my lovely sister-in-law She. And these cublets from Shopee and Lazada. And also this beautiful rattan coasters, charger plates or placemats I bought from Lazada and Shopee respectively. Another Shabby Chic piece I bought from Lazada, the table napkins. The delicious macarons and cupcakes from Bizu and Mom and Tina's. And this yummy longanisa pizza from my neighbors Renby and Sel. And of course, this tablescaping will not be completed without this Shabby Chic gorgeous salad and pasta plates given to me by my former boss, Miss Anna Anastasio. We called her Ata.
Happy birthday!
Dami to, oh. And super duper thanks to my brother Jim and sister-in-law Chef for this yummy ice cream. They sent it to me a day before my birthday. Yeah, super, super love this. Gino's ice cream. Yes. And it really completed my Shabby Chic afternoon tea birthday theme party. Ang galing naman nito, nakakatuwa. So that's conclude my Shabby Chic afternoon tea party here at home. Parang dami namin, no? 4 lang naman kami. Because I really dreamt of having this afternoon tea party na Shabby Chic. Matagal na. So, dapat to last year, kaya lang nag-pandemic. Yeah. So, I just do it here at home. Parang, I brought the afternoon tea garden party here at home. Kahit di kami nasa garden, kahit nasa townhouse lang. Yeah, and I think I did well. I pulled it off, and let me know your opinion. Thank you so much to my lovely friend, Dr. Bebs, for the yummy spaghettis. Nung handa ko, galing pa kay Dr. Bebs. So, she sent this yummy spaghetti. Thank you so much. Now, I received yummy pasta from my lovely cousin Pai. Yan. So, yan. Kailang, ano ko na yon? By tomorrow ko na yun. Breakfast ko na yun tomorrow. And I got the yummy macaroons from Bizu. Because for macaroons, Bizu talaga. And another one, yung nasa Rockwell. I don't know kung open pa siya eh, pero yun yung famous sa Paris. Yeah. So I want to try that also. And pag cupcakes, this red velvet, yeah, bestseller to sa Ma'am Tina's. Yeah, and the cakes, so yummy sa Ma'am Tina's. To my neighbor Renby for the pizza, longganisa pizza, my God, it's so yummy, parang spicy, sweet, my God. And he cook talaga yummy homemade pizza. Super sarap talaga. So, kaya hindi na ako nag-order sa pizza restaurant. So, kay Renby na lang. Walang name yung ano niya eh. Dito lang kasi siya eh. 1 unit away from us. If you want to eat feel-good food, talaga Ma'am Tina's, Bizu, Mary Grace, yan yung mga go-to restaurants ko eh. And this lunch, so happy to eat my favorite kare-kare from Cafe Juanita. Tapos a little Quiapo, kaya like it's too far. So, I opted to get it from Cafe Juanita. It's super yummy din naman. So, but the best talaga for me is Little Quiapo. Of course, yung kay Tita Ludes na kare-kare. Yeah. And later sa dinner, we'll eat yung favorite ko naman na beef stew from Ma'am Tina's. It's a must try din, the beef stew from Ma'am Tina's. Thank you so much again, my lovely my Jazzy Pips, for spending time with me on my special day. And from the bottom of my heart, thank you very much for your love and unwavering support to me and my channel. Nakasurvive tayo 2 years na, my God, 2 years na. And stay tuned for lots of happenings here in my channel. More tips for personality development. Yes. Stay tuned for that. Yeah. And kasi during my corporate days, medyo makeover expert tayo dyan. Marami akong minake-over talaga. And now, tingnan mo naman sila. They're holding higher positions in companies right now. Okay? So once again, my love is my Jazzy Pips. Thank you so much. And always remember, stay safe, stay healthy, stay gorgeous. I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye-bye. Love you. Ayan na! Ay, video!
Yan!
Video! Okay, video! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to me! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to me! O, sing! Happy birthday!
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to me. Uy! Gusto mo namang savers? Bilis naman na.
Mauna na siya.
Happy birthday to you.